Let's learn how you can get the new Journal app on iPhone running iOS 17. Welcome back to another simple video, everyone. Apple released the new Journal app with the latest version of iOS 17, and it allows us to write down our thoughts in a digital diary. You can create traditional text entries, add voice recordings to your notes, or include recent videos or pictures. It's pretty easy to get this app on your iPhone or iPad, and the app is free. There are two different methods, and the first method is to make sure that you are running the latest version of the iOS operating system, which is iOS 17.2 at the time of recording this video. Apple rolled out the new Journal app with iOS 17.2, and it should come pre-installed the moment you update your software. You can check if you're running iOS 17.2 by opening the settings on your device and then open the General section. Then Software Update, and you can see that we have the latest version of iOS. If you're running iOS 17.1 or older, then update your software and you should see the Journal app installed on your device. But if you can't see the app even after the update, then you can open your App Store and search for Journal. You're looking for an icon that looks like this, and as I said, the app is absolutely free, so you can easily download it. But if you can't see the Journal app in your search results in the App Store, like I can't see it for some reason, then you can open your Safari browser and then type Journal app in the Google search engine. You should see the app at the top of your search results, and when you tap on the application, it should open in your App Store and you can then download and install it. And those are the methods on how you can easily get the new Journal app on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 17. You can then start using the app, upload the photos or videos, start writing your thoughts, upload voice recordings, and many more things. If you want a separate step-by-step tutorial on how you can use the app, then leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.